Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the calendar in this device. Now you can see this is the calendar 2024, then you can see January, February, like this you can see here. So let me show you how to change this calendar in this device. For this, go to settings, then tap on general, scroll down, tap on language and region. So here you can see the option calendar. Now the Georgian calendar is selected. So you will get three different calendar in from this device: Georgian, Japanese and Buddhist. So if you want to change to Japanese, select this one. Now let me show you. Now you can see the year is 2024. Now the calendar is selected to Japanese. Now let me show you the change. You can see. So now I am going to change to Buddhist. You can see. So simply in this way you can change the calendar in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.